Hello champs, in this video we are going to talk about how to create a reference sheet character pose. How is it working to make the light, how it works to make the shadows, the position of the body, gesture, expression, and how to make it without thinking, oh my freaking life, this is never ending, Hit a like, subscribe, and let's go! Right now, you're seeing me drawing a character called Andreas. Andreas is an amazing good boy, and he's a protector of people. Yeah, I remember. Sure, let's keep going. So, the first thing we gotta think is this position good? Is the body looking like I'm forcing this position too much? Or it's a position that I can see the whole body well, it's not crazy? If I leave this artwork for another artist to try to understand it, would it be easy to understand it or would it be hardcore? That's something we gotta think about, because when you're creating a reference sheet, the name already tells everything. It gotta be something that can be used as a reference. It gotta be something that you can see, oh, this is what is happening here. This is the silhouette of the character. Oh, I can see how tall it is. Oh, I can see how slim it is. Oh, I can see muscle. Oh, I can see how much fur. I can see colors, everything. Clearly. This is also why, even me, that I make more into the realistic type of artwork, I understand that it's necessary, extremely necessary, for you to understand, I cannot go crazy on shadows and light. I made a lot of shadows and light. Of course I'm going to make a lot of shadows and light, but I didn't go crazy on colors in them because I needed to make it clear, oh, this is the main color of this character. It's the golden yellow, it's the black in the fur, it's the green in the eyes, and that's it. I don't want to make any fuss or confusion about it. So ask yourself, when you're drawing your reference sheet of a character for a commission or for yourself, are you making it clear? Because I have seen some reference Guys, this is serious. I have seen some stuff, okay? I have seen some references that I would not understand where the character started and where it ended. I didn't. I thought, there is something here. And I don't know where's the background and where's the character, but I know they are there. So try to separate, be clear, have a clear mind about what you want, what you're looking for, what you're, is this right here? Yes. Is this right here? No. Is this right here? Yes. Is it right here? No. So the first thing that I do is setting up basic shadow position and the basic light position. I'm not going into details. I don't recommend you going into details. Details only come after. Think as if, probably this is not think as if, this is going to be probably just take out your glasses. But okay, think as if you had poor vision. Your vision was not as good or very, very blurred vision. You will not see the details. You will only see, oh, shadows, light, strong yellow, strong black, strong green. I want you to think and keep that monkey thinking. You're gonna notice that I'm always talking about the monkey thing, and this is one of the main values that we pass here on GabyT. Just stop hitting your pet. It's the one of the main values that we pass here. Forget the details, forget the anxious side. Just go back to monkey state and go like, there's something dark here. I don't know what, just let's do it. Let's make it happen. And at the other side, that's something brighter. Amazing. And after that, we go into details. And after the details, we add another layer of details. And then we keep on refining. And after the refinement, and there is more refinement. And we use the tool Liquify on Photoshop to make sure we are getting everything correct. And just keep on searching and searching. And there's something that I need to talk with you guys about. On reference, never ever, if you're doing a detailed reference, never try to draw all the fur. Draw a detailed fur on a certain part and then just copy and paste that thing on the rest. Of course, you're going to manipulate that area to make sure it's correct on the format, like I did on the tail. The tail is pretty much the neck, just crazy the format, pretty much the format neck. Yes, but don't do fur by fur by fur by fur everywhere. Save your time, save your hands, save your back, save your vision, save your eyes. Think of that. Think on the long term. Think of the long run. The long run can help you a lot on just getting better and better. Short run, you may do an amazing artwork, but is your body going to feel well after that? Who knows? I don't know. Only you can know. Only you can know. That's right. Only you. Don't sing right now. Okay, let's keep on going. Mental reminders to not sing in the middle of talking with you champs. By the way, you're amazing. Have I said this to you that you're amazing and you deserve all the happiness in this world? I know you're doing your best to learn art every single time more, and this video probably just jumped to you, and this is going to be a spark to make you draw, even if it's just a simple face or a hand or I don't know, a pose, anything. I'm glad that you're here doing your best to improve it today more. You're amazing, champ. I'm hugging you right now. High five. High five. That's right. You deserve a high five. Incredible. So whenever you're drawing, you're probably going to have many thoughts of, I think this sucks. I think, what more can come? I think that anatomy is wrong. I think I don't know how to draw hands. I'm sure you have thought of this. I don't know how to draw hands, or the face looks too silly, or this doesn't look like fur, or this is going to take my whole lifetime. This last one. Whenever you find yourself with this type of thoughts, I have two things to tell you. Number one, see if you're not too stressed, because I noticed that my body have a random thing for whenever I'm too stressed to just add all types of bad thoughts possible, like all types possible. I noticed this is a way of our bodies to say, stop drawing and let me do nothing, please. Like nothing. Don't go to social media, just do nothing. Let me breathe. Let me look at the sky and touch grass. And the second thing, it can be probably you judging yourself too much. You're not stressed. I don't believe that's the case, but okay. You're not stressed, but you already have the habit in you of putting yourself down. Whenever that habit happens to you, what I do, at least myself, is 3 times thinking the opposite phrase, the positive phrase 3 times. Why 3 times? Because we tend to be 3 times more negative. There is a research. That research shocked me, by the way. I'm not going to remember any name of that, but I was seeing that in a book of Daniel Goleman, the psychiatrist with PhD and everything. And he was talking about to have the same intensity of, like, you had a negative experience. To have a good experience, for you to forget that bad one, you will need at least 3 very good ones. And I was like, what the freak? Well, it does make sense. Like, you lost $100. It's going to make you, wow, you lost your drawing. Even if you got 3 other drawings saved, you're not you're going to be like, okay, now I'm getting a little bit more calm. But if you just got another drawing saved, it's going to be like, okay, cool, whatever. But if you got 3 drawings finished without any problem, and it was extra easy, and you did it extra fast, you can see the happiness coming, okay? You can see all of that happiness getting in. So the main thing that I want to tell guys in this video about drawing reference sheets, I don't know the pronunciation, whatever. So the reference, focus on the reference, team. Reference. It is, you're going to make mistakes on the pose, you're going to make mistakes on how bright, how dark, on the colors, on the hue, and it's all part of it. Just keep on going in your own time, in your own journey. It's about the long run, it's about the marathon, it's about just enjoying the journey. We watch the movie because we like seeing the whole story, not only the ending. Damn, that's deep. Okay, I'm going to think more about it for the next 3 hours. And I need you guys to remember to flip your drawing. Have I said this yet? Flip your drawing. This is serious. Flip your drawing, because you're going to forget and you're going to think, oh, my drawing looks amazing. Flip it horizontally. Flip it. Look in the mirror. Look the drawing in the mirror, and you're gonna see, oh, maybe that hand is too big. Maybe that pose is not too normal. I think I could break a rib if I was doing that pose. All of this is going to happen, and whenever you're doing shadow and light, you are going to freak up your drawing. I repeat, after you did the perfect pose on sketch and then you start adding shadows and light, in some part, I don't know where, it's going to get freaked up, and it's part of it. It's fine. You just gotta go and, oh, what I did here in the shadow and lights to make the drawing look not what I wanted. Like, it was how I wanted, but it's not anymore. And this is going to develop a new observation skill that is going to make you improve even more, even faster, even better. Work it harder, make it faster, do it better, make it... I don't remember the song. Yes, that's my answer to you. You came here for the yes. That's a yes. And I hope to yes you another time in another video. You a yes, and I see you in the next yes time. Bye bye, champs. You a yes. Yes.